So, you two were a thing, right?
What? No, just friends.
Well, there's a will, there's a way, kinda beautiful. And every night has its day, so magical. And if there's love in this life, there's no obstacle that can't be defeated. For every tyrant to tear for the vulnerable. In every loss, so the bones of a miracle. For every dreamer, a dream we're unstoppable. With something to believe in. Monday left me broken. Tuesday I was through with hoping. Wednesday my empty arms were open. Thursday waiting for love, waiting for love. Thank the stars it's Friday. I'm burning like a fire gone wild on Saturday. Guess I won't be coming to church on Sunday. I'll be waiting for love, waiting for love to come around.
To be in love with a girl who is your partner in battle? Not sure how I would balance such a precarious situation. It can certainly cloud the mind, impair judgment, make even the simplest decisions vexate.
It is. Why do we care if they know about it?
I mean, we don't. I guess it's all so new. I just want to share it with you right now, you know? Look, we'll tell everyone. I just want the time to be right.
We are one of a kind, irreplaceable. How did I get so blind and so cynical? If there's love in this life, we're unstoppable. No, we can't be defeated. Monday left me broken. Tuesday I was through with hoping. Wednesday my empty arms were open. Thursday waiting for love, waiting for love. Thank the stars it's Friday. I'm burning like a fire gone wild on Saturday. Guess I won't be coming to church on Sunday. I'll be waiting for love, waiting for love to come around.
Astrid, you and I have been through everything together. You don't think we can handle this? Astrid, you have me, no matter what. Okay, whatever that means, whatever you want it to mean, I am with you. There will always be a hiccup in Astrid. Always.
Come now, are you really going to sacrifice your future? All the wonderful years you have ahead of you for that?
No, I'm not!
I should have listened to you. You are our leader. Our relationship can't get in the way of that. It won't happen again.
Just promise me you won't stop telling me what you're thinking. Astrid, I rely on you. It's what makes us, well, us. Deal?